Hi everyone, today I want to talk about new clicker from OKX market, and this is OKX Racer, where you can push moon, and we will see the price will increase or decrease, and if now it's increase, I will win, but now it's decrease, so I push doom decrease, and again I miss it. So I can push it 10 times, and every 1.5 minutes I can push one more time. As you see, I had a win, so now I try one more time, and if I win again, I will double my wins, and I will get more points, and if you wins a lot of time one by one, it will be um, more points for you. Also, you can watch your leaderboard where your friends earned these points, or global you can see which people earned points. And as you see now, racers we have below than 1 million, so you can be the first who enter it and make a lot of taps, make wins. Also, you can make the tasks as another clickers, and upgrade your racer. So you also can invite your friends, which will get you points. And surprise from OKX, after you sign up, install OKX API and connect your Telegram, make KFC verification, you will get the surprise. No one know what surprise will be, because it's individual, so you can click link below and register it on this clicker, and you will know. So have a fun.